Hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. Got the Tower Hobbies ASW-28, and I want to show you, I went in there, got a lot more authority on that elevator. Now, I couldn't go, what I did was I had unattached the ball link and I moved it into the middle connect a hole on the control arm. However, I was going to go all the way in, but then the clevis is, the balling clevis is too short. It doesn't have enough extension, and I didn't have a good grip with the twist on ball link, so I want to have a solid connection. So I think, if I remember right, I went 125 on my travel. Hold on, let me check. No, I didn't. I may have done it with my Expo. Hold on just a second, I apologize. Yeah, I went on the, where you put in your rates, your Expo, rates and Expo. I put 125 on the elevator, and I've got it in the middle hole from the control arm, and then I've got almost on the last hole there from the arm on the servo arm. Sorry folks, I'm really not with it today. I've had a bunch of family down. We had a very late Christmas for us. Actually just had our Christmas yesterday on the 26th of January. My son came home from Washington State, and so we held off for Christmas till then. So I decided to come down here and get a little bit of flying in, and I'll go back home. But whoa, like I say, this is the Tower Hobbies ASW, and I'm running a 3200 4S, pushed back a little bit because of the weight of it. So here we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, she got a lot of elevator authority now. Oh yeah, definitely. See, look.
Time remaining 5 minutes.
Yeah. Yeah, she got lots of elevator authority now. Oh boy, that's what she needed. So if you get her, put 125 on the elevator, and then attach your elevator at the, move your ball link to the middle hole on the control arm of the elevator. Unfortunately, my approach has to be from here.
Flaps up.
Oh boy. Oh, and I'm cold. It's about 50 degrees here today. I know for you poor people up north, you're thinking 50 degrees, that's swimming weather. All right, I like to grab her right behind the wheel there, just so you know. Oh, you know what hey, can y'all figure out what I didn't do? I didn't turn my motor off before I touched it, which that's not good. And just so you know, I'm running an AR-620 antenna-less receiver. This is a great flying plane. It is as windy as it is. Boy, is she nice and stable. Got the prop turned off now. Prop's turned off, folks. She's just gliding along. Boy. Sorry about the sun. To the moon. She'll just slump right over on you. One of my viewers was wanting to know just how stiff the wings are, and as comparable to the FMS ASW-28. Very stiff wings. I don't think it's as hardy as the that ASW, but this ASW is pretty good. It's definitely on par with it.
Landing flaps.
Really don't need landing flaps today, but this big plane really carries her momentum. She does. She carries her momentum pretty good. And she's got some weight to her. For such a floaty plane, she's got some weight. And the speed brake works real well. So, like I said, oh.
Motor off.
Grab her. I like to grab her right behind the wheel. Okay.
Motor on.
Motor back on. And I give her about 1/2 to 3/4 throttle. And just kind of just up a little bit. Whoa, the wind caught her and both ripped her out of my hand. I had to go. Well,
Takeoff flaps.
maybe takeoff flaps might be.
Flaps up.
Yeah, boy, what a great flying power glider. Get her up high like that.
3 minutes.
And she's got enough size. She's got enough size to where you can really see her pretty good. Definitely got that whoosh sound. Or if I could land her on a runway today.
Landing flaps.
Someone's firing a weapon at my plane. Yeah, just so you know, that gunfire, there is an active shooting range right next door. There we go. All right, motor off. Got enough. We'll take her up one more time. Like I say, I'm running an AR-620 antennaless receiver, so no kind of gyro, wind mitigation, any help like that. The model is a 4S only. She's got some weight to her. I don't know what the grams are. Motor's off. She's 4S only, but yeah, she's kind of hefty. I would say she weighs just as much as that FMS ASW 17. So there we go. Yeah, I just kind of lean forward and chunk her. Get her up going, let her go. Turn that prop off.
Landing flaps.
There you go.
Flaps up.
Oh, I liked if her ran a little further. She kind of plopped down. All right, motor off.
Motor off.
Pick her up. Sure the wheel and everything's in good shape. All right, motor back
Motor
on. Wind's right out of the northeast here, so. Yeah. She wants to fly.
Landing flaps.
She wants to fly.
Up.
Motor's off.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Let's bring her by. We're gonna try to bring her by full throttle now. I don't know if you heard that or not. This is what this kind of plane specializes at, besides catching thermals. Here we go. What? Listen. I don't know if you hear that whoosh or not.
Landing flaps.
Yeah, I'm definitely loving the elevator authority now. All right. That is a great flying plane. We got enough juice for one more. Oh man, what a great flying plane. And I know I got to get more adjectives. I keep saying great flying plane, good looking plane, you know.
Motor on.
All right. Man, she just rockets right on out of your hands.
Time remaining 1 minute. Landing flaps.
There, now that's how you want to land her. Motor off.
Flaps up.
Well, folks, that was a full 5 minutes. Full 5 minutes. I just about dropped her. Oh, only problem landing grass is, boy, you're gonna catch it with the grass and getting up in that air hole. Let's check out our power situation here. Flew for a full 5 minutes. I've actually got my checker on me today, and a smart checker at that. Yeah, I'm all fancy. Just so you know, the plane comes with an EC3 connector. She runs on 4S. Ran for a full 5 minutes. So let's see what kind of juice. Oh gosh, I got 59% left. 3.9, 3.89 all the way down. So I could have I could have gone another 2-3 minutes with, maybe 4 minutes with throttle, you know, getting her up high and turning her off and then just gliding around, or 2 minutes, you know, with the throttle being used mostly. So folks, I gotta tell you, this Tower Hobbies ASW-28, I'm really liking it. It's windy today. Look at the flags. Okay, it's windy today, and it handles it real well. It's almost like in its element. It's got the speed brake, and the glass is actually smoked. The canopy is actually smoked, and that's not cheap. That's hard glass, or plastic. But yeah, I'm impressed. I'm very, very impressed with this plane, folks. I recommend her. She's got a 2-meter wingspan, very stable. I don't personally think she needs a gyro, but if you're newer to this, maybe a gyro would help you. I got a 3200. Well, I took it out already, but had it kind of in the middle towards the back, you know, kind of right about here. And yeah, there you go, folks. That is the Tower Hobbies ASW-28. Awesome, awesome power glider. Y'all have a good one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, please. And don't forget, folks, faith, family, and friends, and them planes. God bless y'all. Bye-bye.